A video plays forward, but a story needs it to move backward. A splash should rise, a step should return, or a moment should rewind for impact. This single change can turn a simple clip into something eye-catching and intentional. Canva already has the tool for this effect, and it works directly inside the editor with no extra step or apps. By the end of this video, reversing a clip will feel like a natural part of your creative process, not a special trick. Start by opening Canva and loading the design that contains your video. If the video is not edited yet, upload it first and place it on the canvas. Click directly on the video so it becomes active. When the video is selected, the top toolbar changes, and this is where the control lives. Look at the top menu and find the option called Edit Video. Click it once. A panel opens on the left side of the screen with video tools. This panel controls how the video behaves, not how it looks. Scroll down slowly until you see App section. One of these apps is the Video Reverser. Click the app. When the app opens, click on the Start button and Canva processes the clip and flips the playback direction. The last frame becomes the first frame and the movement runs backward. This may take a few seconds if the video is long. When the process finishes, press play to check the result. The video now moves in reverse. If the reverse option does not work, the video type may be the reason. Some stock clips or animated elements do not support reversing. In this case, try using a regular uploaded video file instead. MP4 files work best. Shorter clips also respond faster and give more control. Reversing a video works best when the motion is clear, walking, jumping, falling objects, or camera movement. Look more nature when reverse. Text-heavy videos or talking clips usually feel strange in reverse, so avoid those unless the effect is intentional. If the reversed video feels too fast, slow it down. Go back to the same video settings panel and adjust the speed slider. A slower speed makes the reverse motion smoother and easy to watch. It is especially useful for background clips or social media looks. Always preview the full design before exporting. Watch the timing and check the start and end points. Reverse clips sometimes need trimming. Use the trim handles of the video timeline to clean the edges and remove awkward frames. When everything looks right, export the design as a video. The reversed playback stays exactly as shown in the preview. No extra apps or downloads are needed. Now, you control the direction of motion, forward or backward. The choice is yours. Reversing a video in Canva gives more creative freedom. And once you use it a few times, it becomes a normal part of your editing flow.